students, today I am going to explain you exercise 2.2. So our first number question is find the product. Here first number question it's given there 5 by 9 multiply 3 by 10 and multiply 2 by 3. What you have to do, you have to see there in which tables these numbers are coming. Then after that you have to reduce in lowest term. So 3 1 is 3. 3 3 is 9. You have to write here 1, here you have to write 3. Then 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. You have to write here 2 here. Then after this 2 and 2 you have to reduce, then you will get 1 here. After that you have to multiply. All 1 you have to multiply, you will get 1. 3 into 3 you will get 9 answer. Now see second number 8 by 9 multiply 15 by 32 multiply 9 by 10. See here in 8 table 32 is coming and in 3 tables 9 and 15 both are coming. So you have to reduce. Now you have to use the 8 table. 8 1 is 8, 8 4 is 32. Then with the 3 table you have to write here 3 and after you have to write 5. Then 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Like this you have to reduce in the lowest term. After that what you will get answer? You will get 3 by 8 answer. Like this you have to solve question number 1. Now see question number 2. Find the product. It is given into the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction it's given. You have to convert into the improper fraction. What you have to do, you have to multiply. For here it's given 2 is 2 by 5. So you have to multiply 2, 5 2 is 10 and plus 2 you will get 12 by 5. Here what you have to do, you have to multiply 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 you will get 17 by 5. After that what you have to do, you have to see here. It's given 12 by 5, 17 by 5. So here no chance for reducing. So what you have to do, you have to multiply. Multiply, after multiplying you will get 204. Down 5 into 5 you will get 25. Then after that what you have to do, you have to divide. Then you have to completely change into the mixed fraction. Now see question number 2, second number 5 by 11 multiply. Here also it's given into the mixed fraction. You have to change into the improper fraction. 7 multiply 3 you will get 21. 21 plus 2 you will get 21 plus 1 you will get 22 by 7. 7 multiply 2 you will get 8. 8 plus 1 you will get 9 by 4. Then see here it's given 11. Here it's given 22. So you have to cut with the 11 table. So 11 1 is 11, 11 2 is 22. You have to write here 2. Here you have to write 1. 2 and 2 with the 2 table you have to cut. 2 1 is 2 and then here 2 2 is 4. Then after that you have to see there is there any chances there for reducing. If there is no chance for reducing, then what you have to do, you have to multiply. 5 into 9 you will get 45. 7 into 2 you will get 14. So you will get 45 by 14. Then after that what you have to do, you have to do here division. After division what you will get? You will get 3 answer and remainder you will get 3. So how you have to write? You have to write like this. You have to write the answer at the front and remainder you have to write up. So you will get 3 is to 3 by 14 answer. Like this you have to solve 2 number whole. Now I am going to explain you question number 3. Question number 3 what it's given? What number must be added to 3 is to 1 by 2 of 4 by 5 so that the sum may be 18. Then here no number is given there. So what you have to write? You have to write let the number be x. Here it's given x plus 7 by 2. How it came 7 by 2? Because you have to multiply here. 2 multiply 3 you will get 6. 6 plus 1 you will get 7 by 2. Here it's given number must be added to 3 is to 1 by 2 means number you have taken x plus 7 by 2 multiply 4 by 5. Why you have written multiply 4 by 5? Because here it's given of. Of means multiply. Then after that what you have to do, you have to reduce. 2 2 is 4, you have to write here 2. After that you see here nothing it is there to reduce. Then after that you have to multiply. 7 multiply 2 you will get 14. Here you have to multiply, you will get 14 by 5. After that you have to send here this plus, it will convert into minus, then you will get 18 by 1 minus 14 by 5. After that what you have to do, you have to find the LCM. Then after that you have to multiply. Then you will get 18 multiply 5 you will get 90 minus 7 multiply 2 you will get 14. Then after that you have to subtract, you will get 76 by 5. Then after that you have to change into the mixed fraction. After that you are getting 15 is to 1 by 5 answer. Now see question number 4. Question number 4 it's given. Now I am going to explain you question number 4. Question number 4 it's given find the weight of 40 boys if each boy weight is 42 is to 1 by 4. kg. Then what is statement you have to write here? You have to write if one boy weight equals to 169 by 4. How it's 169 came? You have to multiply here. You will get 168. 168 plus 1, you will get 169 by 4. After that, what you have to find? You have to find 40 boys weight. You have to write here if 40 boy weights equals to, then you have to write here 40 into 169 by 4. In the 4 table, you have to cut here. You will get 1690 kg. Now see question number 5. Question number 5, what it's given? A man earned rupees 3600 per month. If he save 1/9 of per month, then how much does he save in the year? First you have to write here. What is statements you have to write here? See, in first month a man can earn equals to rupees 3600. If he was saving 1/9 save from his earning per month, then 3600 multiply 9. What you will get? You have to reduce. What you will get here? You will get 400. If a saving per month 400 rupees, you have to find in the year. Then what you have to do? You have to multiply 400 multiply 12. You will get 4800 answer. Now see question number 6. There were 325 students in a school. Out of them, 2/5 of the students likes to study mathematics, 1/5 of total students like to study drawing, and you have to find the remaining students like the study English. First number question it is given, how many students like to study mathematics? You have to write here, it's given 2/5, you have to write here 2/5. How many total students are there? 325, you have to write 325. Divide it, you will get 65 here. 65 multiply 2, you will get 130 students like to study mathematics. Now see second number question, how many students likes to study drawing? Then how much it was given there? It was given 1/5. Then again you have to divide 1/5, divide with 325, you will get 65 students. Then 65 students like to study drawing. Now see question number 3, what fraction of the total number of students like to study English? After that, what you have to do? You have to add the total number of the students, those who like maths and drawing. You have to add it. Then after that, you will get 195 answer. Then what is the total number of students who likes what is the total number of students? It's 325 minus 195. You will get 130 answer. Then after that, what you have to find? You have to find the fraction, because here already in the question it's given there fraction of total number of students like to study English. Then what is the English students? It's 130. And how many total students are there? 325. Reduce it with the 13 table, with the 2 tables or 5 tables, you are getting here 2/5 answer. Now see question number 7. Question number 7 it's given there, find the money 2/5 of which is rupees 40. Let the money be x, because here money it's not given, so you have to write let the money be x. Then after that 2/5 multiply x equals to rupees 40. Why it's written here rupees 40 this side? Because here in the question it's given is rupees 40, means you have to write equal to opposite side rupees 40. Now x equals to 40 into 5/2. You have to divide with 2 tables. You will get 20 into 5. You will get rupees 100 answer. Now see 8 number question. If I save 2/7 of my salary, then what fraction it I spend? If the salary be x, you have to write if the salary be x, because the salary it's not given, you have to give as x. Then x plus 1 equals to 2/7. Why we are writing here 1? Let us saving it's given there plus 1. Here you have to bring here minus, so you will get, you have to write 2/7 minus 1. Then after that you have to subtract it. You will get 7 minus 2/7. Then you will get 5/7 answer. Now see question number 9. After paying 4/5 of the bill, rupees 36 is still due. What was the amount of the bill? Means here nothing it is given, the amount of the bill it's not given, so you have to write let the bill be x. Then x equals to 4x/5. Why we are writing 4x/5? Because here it's given 4 of the bill already it's paid, so we will write 4x/5. Here nothing it is there, you have to subtract it. You will get 5x minus 4x/5x equals to rupees 30. Why we are writing? Because here nothing it is there, it's a subtraction sign. Then after that nothing it is there, here down you have to write here 1. After that you have to take the LCM. You will get 5x minus 4x/5x. Subtract it, you will get x/5x equals to rupees 30. Then Then you have to multiply here. You will get 30 into 5. You will get 150. X equals to 150. Answer means X means amount of bill. You will get 150 rupees. Now see question number 10. The profit of a shop is rupees 3210 if 2 by 5 of its belongs to A and 1 by 3 belongs to B and the remaining it belongs to C. Then what is the share of the each? What it's given profit equals to rupees 3210. Then you have to find the profit for A, because already the profit for A it's given there, means here it's already given in the ratio form. So you have to write there 2 by 5 into total amount 3210. Divide it, you will get here 642. Then multiply it, you will get 1284 answer. Now we have to find the profit for B. Profit for B or ratio already given there. Here you have to write 1 by 3 multiply 3210. Divide it, you will get 1070. 1070 multiply 1, you will get rupees 1070. Then after that, what you have to find? You have to find the remaining amount to C. Then right here, profit of A and B. What is total? The profit of A and B, it's given here. Here it's given 1284 plus here 1070. Add it, you will get 2354. Then after that, what you have to do? You have to subtract with the total amount minus A and B. Both of the profit of A and B, you have to subtract. You will get rupees 856 answer. In the next video, I will explain you exercise 2.3.